What does?
This is Jack. This is the one that's always flying around outside and landing on it. The way that he interacts with Jax is really special.
Sit in my lap, please. Sit in my lap. And one day, a birdie came running and running and running.
I mean, I've had birds all my life, but I've never really seen a bird and a baby or a kid like this.
That really just blew my mind. I had gotten Jax from a friend that basically just had these birds that needed to be hand raised. So I took Jax and I hand raised her. So she was only about like this big, completely naked. She was only 2 days old. So I hand fed her. I started her really young with taking her outside all the time with me, because I knew that I was going to have her flying outdoors. And then once she started learning how to fly, and I would take her out to open fields and we would let her fly.
Hi, girl.
Hi, girl.
And she would just come right back. Now she's just a free-flighted bird.
Wyatt and Jax have been together really since he was a baby, so they're just really used to each other.
See, say good morning. You love my wheels? And you love my pants? You love my shoes? She loves everything.
Pull your pants up.
I think that growing up in this environment is really helping him become like a more well-rounded child, because he's just always interacting with something new and having a new experience. I wish all kids can grow up like this.
Having animals around is very therapeutic because they're the most forgiving and they don't judge. They don't see color. They don't see anything, you know? They just want to be your friend. And Jax, she decided that Wyatt is her person.